What makes a contract a binding one? In Ontario, Canada, the key elements of a binding contract include offer, acceptance, and consideration. Let's break down each of these elements and discuss common pitfalls that can render a contract unenforceable. Key elements of a binding contract. 1. Offer. An offer is a proposal made by one party, the offerer, to another party, the offeree, with the intention to create a legal obligation upon acceptance. The offer must be clear, definite, and communicated to the offeree. For example, if someone says, "I will sell you my car for $10,000, that is an offer. Example, Jane offers to sell her laptop to Mark for $500. Mark considers the offer and decides to accept it. 2. Acceptance. Acceptance is the unconditional agreement to the terms of the offer. It must mirror the terms of the offer and must be communicated to the offerer. If the offeree changes any terms, counteroffer, then there is no acceptance and the original offer is no longer valid. Example, Mark agrees to purchase Jane's laptop for $500 and informs her. This is an acceptance and the contract is formed. 3. Consideration. Consideration refers to something of value exchanged between the parties. This can be money, goods, services, or anything else of value. It's important that both parties provide consideration, otherwise the contract may be void. Example, in the laptop sale, the consideration is Mark's payment of $500 and Jane's delivery of the laptop. Common pitfalls that can render a contract unenforceable. Even if a contract contains the basic elements of offer, acceptance, and consideration, there are several common pitfalls that can render it unenforceable. 1. Lack of capacity. For a contract to be valid, both parties must have the legal capacity to enter into it. Minors, people under the influence of drugs or alcohol, and individuals with mental incapacity may not have the capacity to form a binding contract. Example, a 16-year-old enters into a contract to buy a car. Since they are a minor, the contract may be voidable by them, or it may require parent or guardian consent to be valid. 2. Illegal subject matter. A contract involving illegal activities or violating the